In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your address using the Square Appointments feature. This is a handy guide for those who have recently relocated or simply need to update their business information to ensure your clients have the most current details. Let's dive right in. First things first, you need to sign into your Square dashboard. Open your favorite web browser and head over to squareup.com/dashboard. Log into your account using your existing Square credentials. Remember, ensuring you have a secure password is crucial. If you have trouble logging in, you might want to use the Forgot Password option to reset your credentials. Once you're in your dashboard, navigate to the Settings section. Think of this area as the control center for your Square account where you can manage everything from payment options to business info. Now head over to Account and Settings, then to My Business, and finally choose Locations. This section is particularly important because it houses all the information related to where your business is situated. It's where potential clients and customers can find you, so keeping it up to date is key. Select the location you're looking to update. If you have more than one business or service area listed, ensure you're editing the correct one. Now, in the address fields, carefully enter the new address details. It's really important to double check everything here. Verify your street address, city, postal code, and any other relevant information. This ensures there's no mix-up or confusion for anyone trying to reach out to or visit your location. Once you've made changes to your address fields, it's time to save your work. Click on the Save button. This step is crucial because it stores all the modifications you just made into the system. Without saving, your changes won't take effect, and your listed address will remain outdated. And that's it. You've successfully changed the address on your Square appointments. This small but essential task will help keep your business running smoothly and ensure your clients always know where they can find you. Keeping your business information up to date is just one of the many ways you can maintain good relationships with your clients through clear communication. Before I wrap up, here's a quick tip. If you have any issues or need further assistance with your account or the dashboard, consider visiting the Help section on Square's website. They have a wide range of resources and support options that can help you troubleshoot any problems you might encounter. Thank you for watching this tutorial on updating your address on Square Appointments. Make sure to like, subscribe, or leave a comment if you found this useful. Have a great day and happy scheduling!